I don't know how to start. It's all too technical. If you've ever said this to yourself, you're not alone. Starting an online business can feel like stepping into a foreign language. Funnels, pixels, autoresponders. It's enough to make anyone quit before they begin. The truth is, most people don't fail because they're lazy. They fail because the online business world throws a tsunami of tools, strategies, and expensive courses at them. One minute you're watching a YouTube tutorial. The next, you're drowning in software trials and conflicting advice. You were never taught how to do this, and you're expected to just figure it out. What if someone already did 98% of the work for you, and instead of wasting weeks trying to learn it all, you just followed simple steps and launched? That's what the Super Funnel Academy does, and it's changing the game for total beginners. Imagine starting your online business like turning on a GPS. You don't need to know every street, you just follow the directions. This system was designed for people with no tech skills, no background in marketing, and no clue where to begin. Here's what you actually get: a full online business infrastructure, pre-built and proven to convert. Free coaching from real experts who guide you every step of the way. No need for paid ads, fancy tools, or confusing software. A crystal clear step-by-step roadmap with zero guesswork. If you can follow a recipe, you can do this. Real people with no audience, no marketing background, and no website are making their first commissions in days, not months. They're not hustling or spending hours learning. They're just following a process that works because it was built for them. This is not another $2,000 course or shiny new software that leaves you more confused. It's a shortcut, a ready-to-go system that launches with you, not just at you. You're not learning for the sake of learning. You're building, launching, earning. You don't need to be techie. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to take the first step. Click the link below to watch the free training and launch your business with a system designed for people just like you.